Hey guys, welcome back to Duffey Woodcraft. I'm Alex, and today I'm at Next Wave CNC, and we're going to talk about how to maintain and clean the new HD series from Next Wave. I've got Brandon, one of the engineers here at Next Wave. Hi, Brandon.
Hello.
How do we maintain our new 6 Series?
All right, it's actually very simple. So your guide rails on the X and Z axis take a lithium grease. So any kind of grease gun, you can go ahead and pop it on there. Your X bearings are behind the Z axis carriage there, and then if you want to grab that.
Yeah, so I just put it on the port there, and I squeezed the gun to put the grease in, and that's it?
Yep, just a few shots, and then obviously jog the axis in question back and forth just to make sure that it spreads evenly. And then for the lead screws, and your X and your Z, and your Y for that matter, I'll take a dry silicone spray.
Okay. And how do we access the Y since that's underneath the unit?
The Y axis is very easy to get to. The side covers we have here to prevent debris from going under there, they're removable. So they're magnetically held. You just pop it off.
Oh, that is really nice and easy.
Yep, you can do that on either side. And then you'll have full access to the bars under there as well as the lead screw. And that's all dry silicone. So no lithium grease goes under the base.
Okay, so lithium grease on the rails, dry silicone on the lead screws, and that is underneath as well. And where do we get the grease for this?
Everything you need to maintenance these machines is on nextwavecnc.com.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you for being here.
All right, see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.